Hi, this is Rajesh from lucidrails.com. In this video, I want to walk you through a couple of scripts that I've created for After Effects. So, one script is about how we can implement the 12 principles of animation, the 12 principles pro, and this I've created the scripts to make our animations much more fluid and much more lively. As you might have already known the basic principles of animation. It's called the 12 principles of animation. It's by Disney. I wanted to find a way to sort of implement those much more intuitively and without having to struggle to achieve them. This is my try at how to make it more easier. As long as you use this script, your animations in After Effects will look much more presentable. That much I can guarantee. So I'll give you a quick overview of how to use this tool. Here I've prepared a scene and I've added two keyframes. So the circle is moving from left to right. The first and the foremost thing that we need to make our animations look better is by adding the ease in and ease outs. So for that, you just have to select the two keyframes and let's let's put it at some 80. Okay, uh, 80. So and let's apply this. All right. Now let's play it in real time and see. As you can see, it's it's much better now. So it will get better as we add more effects to this. Next is follow through. Let's click add bounce. As you can see, now let's add squash and stretch. The same thing, just select those two keyframes and add. So now if we look at the motion, you see now it's more stretched. So this I have tested with even the let me just quickly hide this and let's go to vertical and let's look at the keyframes and add some squash and stretch. As you can see, it's based on the direction it moves. So in no matter which direction your object is moving, it sort of the After Effects sort of understands it and it will give you the result which is necessary. All right, let's go back to the horizontal one. Now let's play it and see. All right, and one final thing, let's add some anticipation. And as you can see, if you are keyframing and creating this animation, I don't know how long it will take, but it just took us couple of seconds to reach this result. So you can do wonders with this. uh, I won't walk you through the whole tool, but give it a try and let me know how good it is or how bad it is. Just one thing that I want to share is that I didn't physically code everything. I did vibe coding using Codex and Google's AI Studio. So why I used two is that I used to run out of tokens and I just used to jump between the two to sort of complete the work faster. There are few things when we are switching tools. What's happening is that the interface is changing. The UI is Google understands UI in a different way. Codex understands UI in a different way. That sort of changed. So I had to like reiterate and tell it to work on the same line. So that was the trouble I had. fixing bugs took lot of tokens. It has to read the entire script from the first line to the last line, and it sort of reiterates on, okay, we found this mistake, we found that mistake, we found this mistake. So it sort of goes in a loop until it fixes everything. For this 12 principles thing, I've organized everything into three different sections: timing and weight, flow, energy, staging and polish. Flow and energy, if you take a look at it, you'll have secondary action, arcs, exaggeration, overlap, and all the other. I tried to include as many of the, because the 12 principles are all not keyframe or animation based. Some are more visual aspects of it. How do you do staging? I tried my best to conceive what's working, what's not working, and everything. I did my best to incorporate all of that to my knowledge, but I hope this you find this tool helpful. If you find any mistakes, if you find any improvement, if you want some improvements of it, you can simply download the script from Gumroad, and you can sort of take it into Codex or Google's AI Studio and then make modifications on it. Or if you can share some feedback in the comments, I'll try my best to sort of fix them and give you the next version of it. So give it a try, and see what's working, what's not working. If it is helpful for you, just let me know in the comment section, and probably we'll see how this goes. All right. And the next tool that I want to share is, it's called Expression Forge. Google named it. I didn't I didn't name it, but it kind of is good. So there are a lot of expressions in After Effects to improve your animation, and it's hard to remember everything. So what I did was, I tried to include as many expressions as possible, uh, and I have grouped them into motion, looping, utility, and all these other groups. All right. So I've included all these expressions. So the main purpose of this tool, why I built it for myself, is I wanted a place where I can store all my expressions. I think there are other ways to do it, but I wanted to do it in a more intuitive way, where it, it stacks up into my UI and becomes easily accessible. So if you can see, so you uh, try going through these and see if it is of any help. uh, Here we have a couple of buttons. Apply is for applying the expression. So the main thing is add. Click on it and give it a name. I'll leave it at my expression. Category custom. You can save them into existing categories, or you can create your own category. So profile, let's leave it at any. If the expression is going to be for the position, you can mention it here, so that it sort of reminds you of where this expression should go. Now hit save. Now if you go to the custom, my expression, and here is the expression, you can do two things. You can either edit the expression, or you can simply change the values and hit apply. Please select at least one property in the timeline. So that's fine, but you can edit the every expression that you can see here. You can edit them and apply them, or you can edit them and save them into a new category, or as a new expression. So it's super helpful. I use it all the time. So here in my expression, let's hit edit. Now you can make the changes. Now from 1, let's do it at 10 and save. We go back, and here it's changed. So Along with editing, I have added option to delete expression as well. Delete. Now let's go to classic wiggle and let's try to delete it. Delete. Delete classic wiggle. Yes. See, it's gone now. So you can delete if some of the expressions you feel are not good enough, or you feel that it's not necessary, you can simply delete them. But if you have deleted it accidentally, then there is a button, a reset button here. uh Here, restore missing, keep my custom edits, or wipe everything, factory reset. So let's go to factory reset and yes, so the classic vehicle is back. So that, so I found this tool very helpful, and I hope that it will be helpful for you guys as well. Give it a try. Try both these tools. I'll give you the uh, download link in the description. You can download it from there. As I've already mentioned, make use of it, edit it, create a better version of it. Let me know what's working for you and what's not working, and we'll see how I can help. All right, that's it from my end. I'll see you guys in the next one.